Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. Are you also last minute planning a date night? You need the perfect shoes? That's where I was at, and I asked my fashionista friend, what kind of shoes do I wear with ankle pants? So trying on new styles makes me nervous. I don't know if I wear an old shoe, if I'm supposed to wear a tennis shoe, what makes it a little more dressy? Well, she recommended these and I love them. So they're by Dr.Scholls and they're the Scout High Wedge. Absolutely comfortable, squishy, amazing, still has a little lift, where it's needed without the discomfort of wearing a heel that I can no longer wear. Wow, wow. It's an amazing wedge. The cupped heel really holds your foot in place nicely. I've been able to walk long distances and wear these for hours and hours on end. This palomino color is exquisite. I absolutely love the warm tones. Plus, the rubber soles are so comfortable. Look how easily they walk. You could even moonwalk. They go so well with so many different outfits. You get the idea. So with pants like these, I was not sure how to make them look the most adorable. And these shoes do it. I highly recommend them. I do think everyone needs a pair of these just to dress up and still be comfortable in your 40s. And that's my point of view.